Next topic, exercise 11.1, question number 6 and 8. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. First, using that wire, first you make rectangle. What is the length of the rectangle? 40 centimeter and breadth equal to 22 centimeter. Using the same wire, next you can make what square with the side not given any side. Okay, length of the side. We have to find out the length of the side of a square. Okay, then how can you write it? Here, when same wire is bent in shape of a square, means perimeter will be same. Okay, first you can make rectangle. Using the same wire we can make square also. That means what? Perimeter will be same. Okay, then how can you write it? First, what is the first statement? First statement, perimeter of the square equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of square means what? 4 into one side, not given the side. Okay, what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, 4 into one side equal to 2 into length is equal to what? Length of 40 plus breadth equal to what? 22. 4 into one side equal to 2 into 40 into 22, 62. Okay, one side equal to 2 into 62 divided by 4. Okay, 2 and 4 you can cancel 2 times. 2 and 62 you can cancel, 31. That means 31 centimeter. Side of a square equal to 31 centimeter. We have to calculate one more thing. Find which shape encloses more area. We have to calculate its area also. Side of a square is equal to 31 centimeter. We can calculate its area also. Here already given that length and breadth of the rectangle 40 and 22. You can calculate the area of rectangle also and then compare it which shape encloses more area. Okay, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth equal to 40 into 22 equal to what? 880 centimeter square. Area of square equal to 31 into 31. 30 into 30, 900. 31 into 31, 961 meter square, centimeter square. Which shape encloses more area? This area of square 961 centimeter square is greater than 881 centimeter square is greater than 880 centimeter square. Area of square is greater than area of rectangle. Area of square greater than area of rectangle. Next question. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Here first, door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. Breadth 1 meter, length 2 meter. Okay. Then wall length is equal to what? 4.5 meter. Breadth equal to what? 3.6 meter. Okay. Whitewashing, here this area we have to whitewash. Okay. How can you calculate it? Full area of the rectangular wall minus area of the door. Okay. First you calculate the area of the door. Area of the door equal to area of the door. What is the shape of the door? Rectangle shape. By equal to length into breadth equal to 2 meter into 1 meter equal to 2 meter square. Area of the wall. Area of the wall is equal to length into breadth equal to 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. 4.5 into 3.6 meter. 16.2 meter square. Okay. 16.2 meter square. Then we have to calculate the cost of whitewashing the wall. Okay. What is the next? You can write it what? Area of wall excluding the door. Okay. Area of the wall excluding the door equal to what? Area of the wall minus area of the door. Equal to 16.2 meter square minus 2 meter square equal to what? 14.2 meter square. Okay. Next, cost of the wall. 1 meter square 20 rupees. For 14.2 meter square, 14.2 meter square into 20. Okay. For cost of whitewashing, cost of whitewashing for or 1 meter square. Equal to rupees 20. Okay. Next, the cost of whitewashing 14.2. Cost of whitewashing (14.2 meter square) the wall equal to what? 20 into 14.2 equal to what? 248 rupees. 248. Okay, this area. Okay, excluding the door. Okay, okay, this full area cost of for 1 meter square 20 rupees. Full area 14.2 meter square. This area is what? 14.2 meter square. What is the cost of whitewashing this side? That means 20 into 14.2 equal to rupees 248. Next exercise 11.1, question number 7 is a homework.